Hey, what's going on, guys? So, welcome to lesson number one. This isn't really a lesson, but more so of kind of how to set everything up and get ready to trade. So, first things first, we're going to be using tradingview.com to analyze our charts. This is going to be where we look at charts and pretty much where we do our analysis, okay? So, make sure you guys download TradingView, or not download, but go on your computer, type in TradingView, right? Okay. That's first thing. Second thing, where we trade from is going to be the MetaTrader 4 app. That is MetaTrader, if you don't know how to spell trader, 4. MetaTrader 4, not 5, but 4. MetaTrader 4 is where we're going to make our actual trade. That's where we're going to input our buys, our sells, and change our stop loss, stuff like that. That's the app we use. When it comes to brokers, I recommend you use Hugo's Way or Osprey FX. Those are both great brokers that, they have great leverages, which leverage is kind of how you it's pretty much how you trade. They're going to allow you to use, $500 for every dollar that you have on your account if you choose the 1 to 500. Anyways, those are the three things that are going to be needed for sure. Other than that, I'm going to show you guys the color system, okay? I know that I have an orange and white logo, stuff like that, but I'm not going to be using that when we trade because this is much more simpler to see. This is easier to use. It's very clear, okay? So first thing I want you guys to set up is the color scheme. So if I go to settings and I go to my appearance, no, we go to symbols. Take a screenshot of this, and this is the exact setup I want you guys to have. Okay, red, green, and then black for the borders and wicks. This is going to be the most clear setup possible. Okay, and that's how you're going to get this coloring. White background. I guess I could show you guys one more thing really quick, and that's going to be the fact that we have white background, and then all of these as well. You see what I'm saying? The vertical grid lines are pretty much not there, stuff like that. So that's pretty much how you have your trading view set up completely. Now let's go into our toolbox. Right here, if you go here, you'll see your trend line. I have it starred. Horizontal line, have it starred. We'll go to here. Fibonacci retracement, very important. Have it starred. And then our long position, starred. Short position, starred. Price range, starred. Okay, so everything is starred, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so this is gonna, add your little toolbox. Oops, your toolbox right here. Now you have everything that you need to trade. We don't use any other tools, just this stuff here. Okay. Last thing I'm going to show you, Fibonacci retracement. Okay, this is how my fib looks when I draw one out. Boom. Okay, this is my Fibonacci retracement. So if I put it up here, you'll see the full thing. This is going to be our gold zone right here when trading. This is the zone that we like to look at. Okay, 3812 or 382 is cool too. 764 is cool too. But this is our gold zone. If we ever see price spike in this region, then there's a good chance of a reversal. Okay. How I use these, this is take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and take profit 4 if using just the fib. But these are not important with this course. This would be more important with the actual sniping course. So you'll get ready for that if you bought the bundle. But this is just the Fibonacci setup. If I go to settings, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I have it set up. Go ahead and screenshot that, copy that, and go ahead and change it to that. And that is going to be the Fibonacci setup, okay? So with all that being said, that is pretty much everything you need to know about setting things up. Broker wise, the actual chart layout, the Fibonacci layout, the toolbox layout, and the app you're going to use. Okay, so go ahead and get to the next lesson, and I will start to show you trend lines and stuff like that.